How to turn on or turn off Sync Siri to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we then scroll down, and in here tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the CO button. Then we scroll down from here. Then tap on the Siri toggle button to turn off or switch on sync. So here I have just turn off sync. If you tap on the toggle button again, it will switch sync back on, and this will allow you to sync Siri data to iCloud. And that's it. After, tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.